In management science, policies are among the most persuasive tools. Managers control the work of employees through well-established policies. They are affected by them every day in their administrative assignments. Such a significant tool should be thoroughly understood if it is to be used properly. The word policy is derived from the Greek word politia, which refers to the manner of governing a nation. Policies are guidelines to an action. Policies guide managers and provide stability to an organization. Policies are prepared in regard to purchases, sales, production, finance, R&D and every other functional areas of business. Activities of repeated nature are conducted easily, quickly and correctly as per the guidelines given by the policies. Top-level management prepares the broad policies while the departmental heads in conformity with the broad policies prepare departmental policies. Policies need to be reviewed from time to time to keep them up to date. Policies serve as ready guides to answer numerous questions relating to the problems that are recurring in nature. Policies must be consistent with the company's mission and philosophy. Policies should be complementary to one another so that they lead to coordinated pattern of actions. Policies should be comprehensive in order to govern all the activities in all the department.